Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide the like count on an Instagram post if you don't want to show how many likes a certain Instagram post has received. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about hiding a like count in an Instagram post, then check out our comprehensive blog post on roihacks.com, where we also show you this process with screenshots and share some related information that we're not going to mention in this video. You can also find hundreds of tutorials there on social media and Instagram marketing for absolutely free. Links to this blog post and other free Instagram resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Instagram profile followers, more organic reach, without running ads, then check out our Instagram profile growth checklist that you can download from our website, roihacks.com, as we are currently giving it away for free. With this free Instagram profile growth checklist, you're going to be able to audit the setup of your Instagram profile, get tips to improve your Insta posts. You're also going to get access to our Instagram engagement tactics. And last but not least, you're also going to get our Instagram profile promotion tactics that actually work to get you more Instagram likes and followers. Links to the free 44-point checklist is in the description below. Alright, so this is how you can hide the number of likes a certain Instagram post has received. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram profile, select the post where you want to hide the number of likes it has received. Then click on these three dots here, and from the options here, select Hide Like Count. And now the likes have been hidden from this post. If you want to unhide the likes, then you can open up the post again, then select the three dots and select unhide like count, and the like count will show up again on the post. Alright, before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Instagram profile growth checklist that we use to 10x the number of followers. Keep in mind that we are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking on the link in the description below, or search in Google for roihacks.com and add the keywords Instagram profile growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing an Instagram profile, make sure you check out our Instagram marketing tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.